Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be making shawarma for my family. The first thing is to prepare the marinade, and I'll do that by adding some yogurt in a bowl, cumin powder, red paprika, some chicken seasoning, onion powder, chili pepper, fresh ginger and garlic paste, salt and vegetable oil, and I will mix everything thoroughly and set aside. The next thing is to slice the chicken breast thinly. I'm doing this so that too much time is not really necessary for the marination. Now I've added the chicken to the marinade. I'll combine thoroughly and leave in the fridge to marinate for like an hour. Though my own lasted for up to 4 hours because I did it in the morning before going to church. It was when I came back from church I prepared the shawarma. So you can imagine how tasty our chicken will be. Next is to cut up our veggies: onion, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, fresh tomatoes. If you have green bell pepper you can still add, then cucumber and cabbage. We're almost there, so please still hang on for me. I'll go ahead to prep the shawarma cream or sauce. To the bowl I'll add some mayonnaise, sweet chili sauce, tomato ketchup, black pepper, and lemon juice. I'll combine and set aside. Next is to grill our chicken. I'll be doing it using a pan. You can as well bake in the oven. Just add a little oil to grease the pan and then throw in the chicken. You have to do it on a medium heat so that the chicken will cook properly. Guys, I tell you, this chicken tasted so good. I grilled the chicken in 2 batches. After the first one, I cleaned the pan. Next is to stir fry our veggies. I'll be doing this for just a minute, but if you don't have problem eating raw bell peppers and onion, please, this step is not necessary. I just added little salt for taste. Next is to cut our chicken into tiny bites. Guys, hope you've subscribed to my channel. I said let me remind you. Now everything is ready. These are our veggies. This is the wrap I'll be using. Let us now proceed. This is just where I did not get it right. I'm using the wrong wrap for this shawarma. Shawarma needs those wider wraps, and I relaxed thinking that I have it in my fridge. I have some wraps in the fridge, but I didn't know that it was just these smaller wraps. Normally the shawarma filling has to be full, but because of the smaller wrap I used, I wasn't able to stock it up that much. But guys, I tell you, for the taste, go, I'm telling you. So the first one I used only one wrap. The second one I tried to double it, but still it was not perfect. But we move. As far as the thing did not affect the taste of the thing, I don't have any problem. Besides, I made it for my family, not for a customer. So we were good. We enjoyed it. So at this point I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Click on the subscribe and the good Lord will bless you. The good Lord will bless you and bless you and bless you. Or should I sing for you? God bless you and keep you. Make his face shine upon you. How do you like your shawarma wrap? As a burnt offering, just crunchy or soft? For me, I like it crunchy, so I'll go ahead to grease the pan with some butter, toast it a little, and shawarma is ready. Shawarma is ready. Tan tan tan, come and eat. Oh. Bye guys.